Welcome to your screencast regarding neighborhood proposals. You will, as a fourth grader, be writing a proposal, and you will see right here that it is outlining your design question. So, how do we, as developers being you, design a neighborhood that will attract residents? Down below, you will see the goal, which is to write a proposal that outlines the elements you wish to include in your neighborhood design. Requirements. These must be included in the proposal. These items are the background of the problem, a statement of the problem, target audience, proposed solution of the problem, method to be used for each solution, tasks and tools to be used in each solution, schedule to be followed in problem solution, and then your concluding remarks. We are also asking that your findings need to be supported by any data or research that you find. So everything needs to be backed up by evidence. Now, you're probably wondering, what is a proposal? Because for some of you, this may be the first time that you have actually written a proposal. Proposals are written when people need to ask permission to make a purchase, do a project, or write a paper. The proposal is a formal way of telling an idea and asking for action to be taken on that idea. When writing a proposal, consider who will read the proposal and what that person may or may not already know about what you are proposing. So you will follow the steps to begin writing your neighborhood proposal. The proposal outline is going to be provided for you through a neighborhood proposal plan. So at the top of the proposal in red, I have gone through and I have given you an example for each section of the proposal. So you'll see I have the background of the problem, I have a statement of the problem, my target audience, my method to be used for each solution, so how will I solve the problem, the tasks and tools that I need. So what do I need the city planner and developer, who is our target audience, what do I need them to consider? What's the schedule that needs to be followed? And then any concluding remarks that I have to defend my position or to encourage those that may be voting or planning or implementing my design, what makes them choose my design over any others they may be looking at. Down below, you're going to see that I have given you a copy of this proposal. Here's your sample. Down below, this is the part where you will fill in with your information. Okay? The last part of this screencast, I wanted to actually show you what a proposal looks like. So this is a proposal that has been constructed, and it is outlining what these elements actually are. So the background of the problem, the background is going to tell the reader, and I think it's important that we know that, is going to tell the reader the specific problem that you are addressing. It is also going to focus on providing enough information that further discussion can happen regarding your topic. Okay? Now, you'll notice down here it says don't say and it says say. So it wants you to be very specific. So it's saying exactly, the blank building is a 140,000 square foot building used as lease and private offices. All right? It doesn't say the area of concentration is the atrium gallery. Okay, it wants you to be very, very specific on the background that you are addressing. Now, the statement of your problem, you want to focus on a solution of that problem. Now, your reader or your committee that will be listening to your proposal, they need to know what problem you are actually addressing. So, in this one, it says a floor structure must be designed for the blank room to resist all dead loads based on the following equipment schedule. So they are giving factual information that backs up the evidence of their problem. They didn't just create this problem. They have actual evidence that led them to the problem that they are trying to solve. Now, their solution, the same way. They give factual evidence. So at the time of writing the proposal, you must be able to present a solution or a set of solutions to the problem you are investigating. The solutions you propose should be specific. Very important. All right, solution method. This is going to demonstrate whether or not you have done your research. Have you done the hard work? And have you been able to demonstrate to the city planning committee that you are qualified to tell them, here's what needs to happen. Here is what elements need to be included in an ideal neighborhood. Okay? Task and tools. This part has been left open for you to finesse or add any specific details to things that you notice through your research. So what are residents or home buyers looking for specifically in Liberty? Your timetable. This is when you project that you're going to have your proposal ready, prepared, and available for critique. Okay? The last thing that you need to include is your closing statements. And what I would propose with that is that's where you have one final chance to defend your position. So concluding remarks. That's where you're going to actually close out your proposal and give one final argument to those that are listening to your proposed plan. Okay? Now, this screencast is meant to assist you when it comes to designing your proposal.